What's up, guys? It's Misha with Winning Designs, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about tile. Real quickly, I'm not going to get too far into the details about all this stuff and the temperatures they were cooked at and all that stuff. I'm just going to talk about what we as a company see the trend going towards and what I actually think about the tiles. We're going to be talking about ceramic tile, glass tile, natural stone tile, and my favorite is going to be saved for the last, and it's our porcelain tile, and I'll tell you why it's the best and you should use it. So starting out, we have our ceramic tile. This is your contractor grade tile. It's super cheap. If you're just trying to, let's say, sell your house, you want to prep your house for sale, that's something you would do, and you're not trying to invest too much money into it. Also, if you're trying to save some money, obviously for yourself, that's something you would do. If you're a landlord, you're trying to flip it just to put the tenants in there, that's something you would do. It's you'd never put this on the floor. It always should go only on the walls because it's very soft. Also, if you get a chip in it, you'll have that ugly orange color in the back of it. And honestly, we try to avoid installing that. And if you are though, there is ceramic tile that's white on the back. So I would suggest doing that and not the orange crap. Next, we have our glass tile. Our glass tile is most commonly used on our, accent strips and things like that. For us as a store and as a bathroom building company, we see this fading out. Like less and less people even look at our glass rack there. Typically, I guess you would use some like this on your backsplashes. I think that still kind of looks cool, and that's still going to be around, or in the back of your niche, something like that. But mosaic strips are dying out. I would never suggest you guys install any mosaic strips in your showers moving forward, because more and more people hate the grout lines. People hate grout. I don't know what it is. It's just the grout lobby sucks, and they're not doing a good job of promoting their grout. So basically, more and more people are moving towards these large format tile, zero grout, your 1/16 of an inch grout lines and things like that. Nobody wants to see an entire sheet full of grout in their shower. Also, it's as the images on these tiles getting nicer and nicer, you don't want to break it up with a freaking pinstripe through it. So really, glass tile is good for your back of the niche or your backsplashes. When you're cutting this, make sure that you're using glass blade. It'll look clean. All right, so that's our glass tile. Next, we have natural stone tile. Natural stone tile is something that you'd install in your house if you don't really care about money. You have a whole bunch of money, and it's really cool for about 6 to 7 months until you have to start treating it. You have to put another coat of sealant over it to make sure that it doesn't get stained. Typically, you'll forget to do that. Typically, you'll just say everything's going to be all right. And then 2 to 3 years down the road, you're going to start seeing your bright white Carrara marble tile now is starting to look a little bit orange and starting to look faded out, especially if you put it on the floor around the toilet. Now, if for some reason it looks yellow, well, maybe it's because the husband's been missing the toilet and it's been peeing on your tile. But I guess what I'm trying to say, it's very annoying in the upkeep of this tile. I don't suggest using it. It's really not as pretty as it used to be compared to every other tile. The porcelain tile laps around this tile in the way that it looks, because basically this stuff is just dug out of the ground, and they will make it look as it comes out, and then some of them doesn't look as good as the other parts of it, where in comparison, the porcelain tile, they pick the best looking images, and they will use those images in their entire tile collection, whatever. So that leads me to, also, real quick, way too expensive. Your natural stone tile is just way too expensive for the headache that you're going to get with it. So stay away from that. So that leads me to our best tile that's out there right now, and it's your porcelain tiles. These things are just straight up beautiful. If you look at this image on this tile, it's high gloss, polished tile. It's very durable. That's something that if you're ever installing tile outside, you're only gonna go with porcelain tile because it's so freaking dense that the temperature changes and things like that won't really affect it. As the industry's progressing right now, the more and more we see people going towards these large format tiles. Our next two bathrooms are both 24 by 48 bathrooms. And we're seeing more people even ask about not yeah, 24 by 48. We're seeing more and more people ask about the 48 by 96, just one big piece of tile. So basically the entire shower would be a piece. So 4 pieces of tile would be the entire shower. More and more people are asking about them because they do such a good job of printing it out that it's just some of the most beautiful things that you'll ever see. They're super strong, they're easy to work with, they're lightweight. If you were to get a 24 by 48 piece of natural stone tile, the thing would be a piece of like marble that you're picking up and it'd like be the weight of like a countertop. So we're trying to avoid that. So that is why we suggest for our customers, and we suggest for you guys, if you're doing it, like the price of it is really not that bad, to really look into those high HD porcelain tiles. HD meaning like the image that they printed on it is just sick. So if you guys found this video helpful, you want more of videos like this, and also you want to learn how to do bathrooms, renovate bathrooms, install tile, things like that from start to finish, you have to click that subscribe button. You have to click the notification bell so then you can keep up with all the videos. And we're gonna be putting out videos a lot because we hustle, all right? So I hope you guys enjoyed that and stay safe. I don't know, why would you be in danger? So let me do a catchphrase at the end. I don't know, keep tiling, right?